Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can record deposits that you have made in your bank account to support your business operations, for example. Also, if you have taken out money from your bank accounts for your, for example, personal use. To record those both transactions, you need to go to banking section. So in the first case, I will have bank deposit. To record bank deposit, click on the bank deposit subsection and click on a circle button at the bottom. Here you can select where you have paid money into personal account or into a business account. In my case, I will say business account. Select the date, for example today, and amount, for example £500, and reference you can add as business support. Okay, and click save. And there is a transaction for £500 into business account. If you have taken money out, click on withdrawals section and add new withdrawal. Select the date when money been taken out. For example, money been taken out on Monday. Amount, for example, £500. Payment method from personal account. And reference for business account, for example. Save withdrawal. If you have for personal use, withdrawal date, for example today, amount £50, method from which account, for example for business account, and reference personal use, and click save withdrawal. So all withdrawals you will see in a list below. When you go to your banking, so click on withdrawals, you will see all money taken out and all money deposited in any of accounts, either personal or business or any other accounts what you would have. So this is the way how you can record transactions relating to money deposits if you try to put money into your bank account to support your business operations, as well as if you have taken money out for your personal use. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the link in the description section below to my complete Crunch tutorial, where I go through the full complete process of setting up myself on Crunch accounting software until the very last step, where I am preparing to submit my self-assessment report.